All right, my peeps. So on Saturday in the produce market, I had an accident, a little incident. So as I was loading up some free watermelons, some dude. Okay, so I was loading up some free watermelons at the produce market on Saturday, and someone backed up into the truck. So they did all this damage. I don't know if you guys could see it. So the bender is like bent in. So right now, what I what I'm doing here is I'm at an auto shop. So at this auto shop, hopefully they could fix the whole bender. I mean the whole fender, excuse me, right? And then the broken headlight. So they're gonna replace this. This damage was already there, but yeah. So all of this right here pretty much got effed up. It would have been worse, but luckily I managed to make that guy stop, literally, or else he would have kept backing up and would have been worse, like way more damage. But yeah, my peeps. So right now I'm at this auto shop, and for everything to get it fixed back to normal how it was, 450 just for this piece, just this little piece. 450 bucks, almost $500. But the guy that backed up into it, he just paid it. He came after that happened. His insurance wasn't picking up. Yeah, I was pretty upset. I was pretty mad, kind of traumatized. Like, man, like not cool. Just ruin your day, ruins your year. It's like not a good way to start the year. Yeah, pretty much. And it happened in the produce market, in the parking lot. And we were about to leave too. We were just loading up. I was loading up some watermelons. But yeah, my piece. So unfortunately, that's what happened. And it would have been worse too. But like I said, luckily I managed to stop the dude, the man from backing up even further. And luckily my sixth sense triggered too, man. I managed to turn around too, or else he would have crushed me too. But yeah, so it's gonna be ready tomorrow at 6 p.m. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen, my peeps. So it sucks, but nothing else on my truck. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave it here. And hopefully tomorrow it's good. Alright, peace. Yeah, but my truck is good, dude. It's all around. It has no other damage. It's dirty because it's a work truck. It's not a luxurious car. But yeah, this is not cool, huh? Yeah, so I'm just waiting for my ride. I gotta drop it off. So I'll be truckless for today and tomorrow morning. So I'll be here tomorrow afternoon. But yeah, my peeps, so always be aware. Never get distracted. Always be aware of your surroundings. Yeah, yeah, my peeps. So I'm just glad that the guy didn't bail down on us. Like, and the cool thing is that he's actually an employer. He actually works inside of the wholesale produce market. And he told us where he works, where we could find him. But yeah, but he paid for 450 bucks. Yeah, cause yeah, I'm just glad he didn't bail. But yeah, my peeps. So just gonna wait for my friend, and hopefully this gets done by tomorrow. Alright. the actual engine, so you guys can see what's up. Hold on. Repeat. The one thing I've been doing to this girl, maintaining everything, tune up, whatever it needs, I get to it. So that's why it's been lasting me for a cool minute. My truck, I love it. People always offer me if I want to trade it. I'm like, nah, I don't want to trade my truck. Or if I sell it, nope, I don't sell it or trade it. It's my girl. Yeah, my peeps. I'm gonna pull this bad boy. Yeah, man. That shit right there. I was right here actually. This is the way I was moving some stuff. And I don't know, something told me to turn around, and by the time I turned around, the guy was already backing up. Yeah. So this is his. Okay, if you're looking at this way, it was his right side of the fender was over here, literally, and the other one like was over here. So pretty much where I'm at. Yeah. So that's. But luckily I turned around, or else it would have been worse. Alright, my piece. Alright, my piece. So, my childhood friend Odie, he's gonna pick me up. He's already here actually. So this is where I'm gonna leave my truck. You know, I don't know these people. It's kind of weird. I asked for receipts and documentation. They didn't give me none. So, you know, it's kind of weird. They said, oh, they'll give it to me when my car is ready. So that's why I'm kind of documenting this, just in case. Alright, my peeps. My ride is here. Alright, but yeah, this is a spot. So just in case my truck goes missing, it's 4408. Yeah. Alright, my peeps. Peace. Alright, my peeps. So I got the truck back. It rained, so that's why it looks a little bit dirty, but this is how it looks. It looks clean. They replaced the headlight, the signal light, left signal. So, and they kind of even gave the door a little touch, because you can see the different tones. So the paint, the door, and obviously, and it's not repaired, it's a new one. It's legitly like brand new. So yeah, but very good. It looks clean. Yeah, and I like this chrome on the yeah, because the other one doesn't have it. It's plastic. See? It is pretty lame. Gotta clean these up. They're all yellow up. Gotta make them nice and clear. Right? Yeah, but this looks clean.